Installing a switch or ground fault interrupt a protected outlet directly inside a bathroom shower wall is not permitted. This is due to significant safety concerns and violations of electrical codes. The primary reason for this prohibition is the high risk of electric shock. Water is an excellent conductor of electricity, and the shower environment is inherently wet. Placing electrical components within reach of someone using the shower creates a dangerous scenario where water can easily bridge the gap between the electrical device and the person, leading to severe injury or even death. Electrical codes, such as the National Electrical Code, or NEC, specifically address the placement of electrical outlets and switches in relation to water sources. These codes establish minimum distances that electrical components must be from bathtubs, showers, and sinks to reduce the risk of electrical shock. Installing an outlet or switch inside the shower enclosure would directly violate these safety standards. Ground fault interrupter outlets are designed to protect against electrical shock by monitoring the current flowing through a circuit. If a ground fault is detected, meaning current is leaking to ground, the GFI outlet quickly trips, cutting off the power. While GFI outlets provide an added layer of safety, they are not a substitute for proper installation practices and adherence to electrical codes. Relying solely on a GFI outlet to protect against electrical shock in a high-risk environment like a shower is not sufficient. The code requirements are designed to prevent the hazardous condition from existing in the first place. The placement of electrical devices in wet locations requires special considerations. Firstly, the devices themselves must be listed for use in wet locations. This means they are designed and constructed to prevent water from entering the device and causing a short circuit or electrical shock. Secondly, wiring methods must be appropriate for wet locations. This typically involves using cables and conduits that are waterproof and installing them in a way that prevents water from entering the electrical system. Thirdly, proper grounding is essential. Grounding provides a low-resistance path for fault current to flow back to the source, allowing the circuit breaker or fuse to trip and to energize the circuit. In a bathroom, all electrical circuits should be grounded to protect against electrical shock. The NEC provides specific requirements for grounding electrical systems, and it is important to follow these requirements carefully. Modifying electrical installations without proper knowledge and training can be extremely dangerous. If alterations are necessary, consult with a qualified electrician who is familiar with local electrical codes and safety regulations. An electrician can assess the situation, determine the appropriate course of action, and perform the work safely and correctly. Improper electrical work can lead to electrical shock, fire, and other hazards. It is also important to be aware that many jurisdictions require electrical work to be inspected by a qualified inspector. This inspection helps to ensure that the work is done in accordance with electrical codes and safety regulations. Obtaining the necessary permits and inspections can help to protect against potential hazards. In addition to the safety concerns, installing electrical components inside a shower wall can also damage the building structure. The moisture from the shower can seep into the wall cavity, causing mold growth and wood rot. This can weaken the structural integrity of the wall and create an unhealthy living environment. It is important to maintain the integrity of the building structure to prevent potential problems in the future. When planning a bathroom renovation or remodel, it is important to carefully consider the placement of electrical outlets and switches. These components should be located in safe and convenient locations away from water sources. Consider using recessed lighting fixtures that are rated for wet locations. These fixtures can provide adequate lighting without creating a safety hazard. Also, locate switches outside of the immediate shower area. Remember, electricity and water are a dangerous combination. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity.